Right, today we're going to have a look at how to embed just a small section of a larger YouTube video. As you can see, this one is 34 minutes and 43 seconds long, and we just need a few minutes of this video. So the first thing to do is to scroll down until we see the share option, and we click on that, and now we see the URL, the link for this YouTube video. Now if we right mouse click on this and select copy, and then we need to go to the TubeChop website, which is www.tubechop.com, and then we right mouse click in the box and paste that link we've just copied, and then click on the search button, and as you can see, TubeChop has found the video that we've been using, and now we need to click on the chop it button. This shows us the whole of the 34-minute video, and what we can do now is use the sliders to select the section of video we want. So if we use the left slider and scroll it along, let's leave that at about 11 minutes, and bring the right hand slider and we'll stop that at 14 minutes and 38 seconds. And then what we need to do now is click on the chop it button. So we click on that, and that now is chopped just that small section of video out. And here's the embed code at the top here. So if we click on the embed code, it changes to blue, and if we right mouse click and then select copy, that will select all of that code. And what we need to do now is drop into a Word document, and if we right mouse click in here and then paste, there is all the embed code for that video we've just chopped. And what we need to look for now is a line beginning with SRC equals, and what we need to do is put the cursor just after the quotation mark. Make sure you don't click the quotation mark, and then we're going to drag with the left mouse over the text right down to the end of the text just inside of the next quotation mark, and then we can right mouse click on that text and select copy, and then we go to PowerPoint, and now we're in PowerPoint. We need to add the more controls option to the quick access toolbar at the top. So we go file, and then we click on the options, and then the quick access toolbar, and then the commands we need to change from popular commands to all commands, and then scroll down until we find more controls. There it is. It looks like a spanner crossed over a hammer. If we click on that to select it and then add it, that's now added to the quick access toolbar, and we click OK, and there it is, look, and that will stay there in PowerPoint until we remove it. So if we click on that and then we scroll down until we get to shockwave flash object, click on that to select it and then click OK, and as you can see, the cursor changes to like a plus sign. Now we drag with left mouse a window, and that's where the video is going to play. And now we know right mouse click properties, and the properties box appears, and where it says movie, in the box to the right of that, we go right mouse click and paste that code that we've just copied from Word. Then if we close the properties box and then just press the F5 button to run the PowerPoint, as you can see, the video is there, and that is ready to play the small section of our chopped video.